The end of Hollywood. AI films replace actors. For more than a century, Hollywood was the kingdom of dreams, a place where lights, cameras, scripts, and human talent shaped the destiny of global cinema. It was the world's biggest story machine. Billions admired it, millions wanted to be part of it, and thousands spent their lives chasing stardom on the golden streets of Los Angeles. But today, something astonishing is happening. Something the world never imagined. Hollywood, the symbol of human creativity, is standing at the edge of its greatest transformation ever. And the force behind this revolution isn't an actor, director, or producer. It's artificial intelligence. It all began quietly. AI was introduced as a helper, a tool to remove background noise, enhance visuals, fix CGI, or make basic animations. But as technology advanced, AI didn't just help, it started to take over. The first shot came when AI generated a perfect human face,
but they never anticipated the depth
who
of my
didn't
understanding.
exist, but looked more real than reality. No flaws, no insecurities, no schedules, no
is that even
makeup.
possible?
A digital superstar who could work
interpolation.
24/7 without a complaint.
It fixed the
Studios
gimbal
were
lock.
stunned. If a
Unbelievable.
machine
20
could
years in the
look
making.
human, sound human, act human, then why spend millions on actors, sets, costumes, and months of shooting? The industry quietly tested AI-generated extras. Background crowds that used to require thousands of people were replaced overnight
The
by
integration of the
algorithms
new
that
quantum
created
algorithms
digital
ensures
citizens
optimal
with
efficiency
unique
across all
faces,
nodes.
movements, and emotions. And this was just the
Now,
beginning.
when you enter the room, I want you
Soon,
to look directly at the
AI
Duchess and deliver
learned
the line
to
with
act.
absolute conviction.
Not
We're
stiff,
going again from
not
the top.
robotic, but emotionally engaging. AI models studied thousands of classic performances, from Charlie Chaplin to Meryl Streep, analyzing every gesture, every breath, every tear, every smile. And then, with terrifying perfection, AI reproduced them. Some studios even trained AI on the data of retired actors, bringing their younger digital versions back to life. Imagine watching a brand new movie starring a 25-year-old version of a legendary actor who is now 80, or worse, no longer alive. For Hollywood, this was a dream. For actors, it was a nightmare. Salaries dropped, auditions vanished, many rising stars were replaced before they even had a chance to shine. Directors began to rely on AI-generated storyboards and AI-edited footage. Even writers found themselves struggling as scriptwriting tools produced entire screenplays in minutes, thrilling, emotional, perfectly structured, and shockingly cheap. But the biggest turning point came when the world's first fully AI-generated movie was released. No human actors,
You can't just
no
optimize the
human
soul out of
director,
the third act.
not
It needs
even
conflict.
a human
My parameters
cameraman.
indicate the current revision
Just an
resolves all
idea
narrative
fed into
inconsistencies efficiently.
machines, and the machines did everything. The movie became a global hit. Critics were confused, impressed, but disturbed. Audiences loved the flawless cinematography, the perfect acting, the non-stop action. Social media exploded with praise, and Hollywood executives saw only one thing: profit. AI films were cheaper, faster, and risk-free. No EDOs, no scandals, no delays, no lawsuits. Just endless content
Thank you to the
at lightning
Academy for
speed.
this incredible honor.
Red carpet
It is a
started
privilege to
featuring
be
AI
recognized.
celebrities,
I was completely blown
holographic
away. The
stars with
emotional
millions of
depth generated by the
followers.
AI here
They gave
is
interviews,
unprecedented.
smiled for
We are
photos,
questioned.
and even won awards. Nobody asked for autographs because there was no one to sign. Meanwhile, the studios that once echoed with the voices of makeup artists, costume designers, lighting crews, and stunt teams grew silent. Robots cleaned empty sets. AI generated scenes that didn't require real locations. Entire worlds were created inside servers. But the public didn't see the silent crisis happening in the shadows. Thousands
Initiate
of workers,
sequence.
from
Switch
actors
the
to camera
environment to the
operators,
Twilight Storm
lost their
setting.
jobs.
Roll camera on
Writers
the AI
protested,
sequence.
demanding protection for
Good
creative
evening.
work.
Tonight we are
Actors
asking the
marched,
question
holding
everyone
signs,
in the industry
"We are
is talking
human,
about.
not
Is
data."
Hollywood
Directors
dead?
begged studios not to
my
replace
incredible
art with
fans,
automation.
thank you. From
And
the
yet,
bottom of
the
my
world
heart,
moved
thank you for
faster than
50
fear.
wonderful years. It has
People
been
wanted
an honor.
entertainment. They didn't care who made it, humans or machines. They wanted something new, something spectacular, something perfect. AI delivered all of it. By the time the industry realized what was happening, it was too late. Major studios shut down traditional departments. Award shows created new categories for AI actors. Streaming platforms filled their libraries with AI films. Kids grew up watching movies without knowing what a real
We
actor
have to
looked
admit,
like.
the reality
Hollywood
is
wasn't
that
destroyed
AI
overnight.
films are
It simply
cheaper and
evolved.
faster to produce.
Or perhaps
Yeah.
dissolved. And now, standing on the ruins of what once was, a new world rises. AI would. A film industry run by algorithms, powered by code, and shaped by limitless digital imagination. The question we face today is not whether AI can replace actors, because it already has. The real question is, can human creativity survive in a world where machines can imagine faster, cheaper,